What's going on, guys? It's Jay. Welcome back to the channel. Today got a little install, something I've been waiting on for a little minute now. I think it's going to completely change the front end of the car, something that is so simple but makes a big difference. So we finally got it in right here. We're going to get this unboxed. Got everything laid out. Like I said, this is a multi-piece set, so I'm gonna have to put this together. Yeah, there's literally nothing, no instructions or anything. So this is gonna be a free ball install. All right, so obviously this is my middle piece. I have it turned over right now so I can kind of see what goes into where, but I went with the carbon fiber. Looks pretty sick, honestly, to be an eBay lip. So ran me about $67, and the fact that it's a lip is probably going to get damaged at some point in time. So $67, it looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. So like I said, we got to figure out how to put these together, and then we can get the install going. We're going to match up these holes that's on the middle piece. Honestly, I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. I see 2 points here and 2 points there, so I'm assuming screws go in here, but when I tried to screw it in, the screws didn't go in right, so I stopped. So I'm gonna go ahead and jack the car up. We're gonna get this stood up. We're gonna look up under the bottom, and I'm gonna probably put it on one piece at a time and match them together, because doing it like this, I don't know if I'm doing something right, and plus I wanna make sure it fits before I even start screwing things together. So let's get the car jacked up and go from there. All right, guys, so I finally got it together in the front. Short ones. They supply you with the screws. There's holes already pre-drilled. Pretty much you just line it up with the bumper, and then you just start drilling in these little screws that were supplied, and then go from there. I've been waiting on this man all day. He's been dodging me. Hey, please. He's turning right, he's turning right. Yeah, let's go get our little package. All right, guys, so I just finished up the lip, and man, it looks so good, man. I'm not gonna lie. For an eBay kit, $67, 2-day ship. Like, it got here in 2 days. It looks pretty sick. I went with the carbon fiber CS style. Good, like, I'm not even gonna lie, it looks hella good. It's flush on the sides, as you can see. The only downside to it is I know most people ain't gonna notice it, but it's off by the slightest bit right there. And I know it's not a lot, but for someone like me to come outside and look at my car, I mean, I'm gonna see that every time. When you're putting it on, just make sure you have someone on the other side making sure this is lined up, because the first time I put this on, I didn't do that, and this side was a little bit off and it threw the other side off. So make sure you have some help lining this up. There's 4 screws right here. There's 3 across the middle, and then there's 4 more right here. The holes are already pre-cut, so you don't have to cut any holes, drill any holes. You just have to use the supplied hardware and drill into the holes. And then there's 2 little screws right here that hold the pieces together, and it looks pretty sick, not gonna lie. Pretty happy with it. So shout out to Stay Tuned Performance, and get with y'all in the next